Game.
Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. Take 3. Guys, it's my turn to have my movie reviews for this movie that I have watched last night. But before that, I'm gonna thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each and every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each and every one of you, and to all my... Did I say my silent subscribers? Anyway, oh gosh, why is it like this? Let's just continue. To each every one of you, okay? To all my... Gosh, guys and girls, I have 16 lovely countries. They are coming back once again. So let's not hold it back. They are Philippines, of course, on the number one spot. United States, Canada, United Arab Emirates, Brazil, India, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, Japan, Malaysia on the 10th, 11th, Hong Kong, Australia, Spain, United Kingdom, Brazil, and the last but not the least, Indonesia. Thank you so much for the love and affection that you gave to it. You know what, guys and girls, I couldn't really believe about this movie that I watched last night. Fantastic, superb, excellent, a masterpiece of Sir Rick Lee and Direct Jose Lorenzo Jokno. I thought this is just a simple one, a typical one, a boring one, ordinary story, same old story, but it's not, guys and girls. It's really a surprise, and even Aisel Santos gave this kind of hallelujah, a kind of acting that you will never think that she really can for this movie. You know what, guys and girls, I just really don't know. You're not having the right angle. I just really don't know if Aisel Santos is a what's this? Stage play actress. You know what, guys and girls, hands up, everything that you want to expect for a musical movie was in here. At first, I'm kind of hesitant to watch for this movie because I'm not into Aisel Santos. I'm not her fan. And until I read an article in a platform that this is a feel-good movie and a fantastic one, that's why I gave my try. I try my best to have a time to catch this one, and then they didn't fail me. From the beginning of the movie, it's really such a total blast, a nerve-wracking one. And you know what? At first, when she's singing on the first frame and the first few moments, she really sounds like Lea Salonga and the other one the new version for Miss Saigon. Gosh, she has a powerful voice. I couldn't really... I know Aisel Santos is a product of a singing contest, but it was last night when I found out and realized that she's a total monster when she is singing on the big screen. And the movie shot only, as far as I know, the movie shot only in one studio because of the chroma that I've noticed and because of the lights effect. So they didn't go in a remote control for a movie shot. I really love this movie, guys and girls. If I were you, watch for this one. This is a tribute to Mr. Ricky Lee and Direct Jokno. Jose Lorenzo Jokno. Guys, you know what? I felt sad because I wasn't able to... And also for Nora Honor, the superstar of the Philippine cinema, I wasn't able to watch the original one, which is the movie. I think if this a musical movie is really a kind of a superb one, I think the Nora Honor movie is more how do you call that thing? is more appreciative because of the maybe the acting gestures that they throw each other, the acting how they attack for in each every scenes. Because here in the movie, they prolong the story because of the singing. So even though they keep on singing for the whole entire movie, there are some serious type situations or a type of throwing each other lines that some kind of a low key. But you know what, guys? I feel like to how I wish that they could have a another filming or another showing for Nora Honor's movie. You know what, guys? This is really a masterpiece, and the actors are really good, are really great. They know what they are saying. They know what they are singing. You will clap your hands. Nothing or no particular scenes that you will throw, you will get bored. No, in every scene, in every acting that they have is really a highlight. It's really a kind of, you will wait for what could be the next scenes, what could be the next. So it's some kind of unpredictable, guys and girls. And I love the cinematic effect. I love the production designs. It's really like a real, what's the burol in English? A real forest or a real mountains, a real is that a mountains? Just a small mountains. And the small town that they have is really like a real one town. And even the soil, the stones, the large stones, it looks really like real. So, an applause to all who made this film being kind of great. It's an international film. This could be like an international one, guys and girls. For how many minutes do you have, Direct?
7.
7 minutes. And before I forgot something. Hold on. You know what, guys? Very intense. Very this so great, guys and girls. If I were you, if you still have time, watch for this one. It's really a worth watching, worth a try, and the money that you will spend for this is really worth 400 pesos. Good thing that I had time to watch this movie last night. Thank you. And I have some comments for this one. I have noticed something for this movie, but afterwards, when I finish for this reviews, what I should want to say this movie, it's unpredictable and it's really a surprise. Lots of surprise elements, and so kind of a heart pounding also, and actors are really great on what they have done for this movie. Guys and guys, having a mental block, I couldn't say anything much for this, but it's really a good one, a masterpiece for Mr. Ricky and Direct Jose Lorenzo Chocno. Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for my another remarks for this one, what I have noticed. Okay, thank you so much, Direct. Once again, thank you for giving me your time. Let's clap your hands to Direct.
Thank you.
Videographer Dexter Kubuna. Thank you. Bye for now.
Cut.